Bros. I am Saanvi. These are beetroots. Beetroots have iron, so I'm making beetroot salad today. You might think, I don't like beetroot salad. I think it's going to be like this, but I'm going to make it really nice and try it out and taste it. You could bake or steam beetroot. These are cooked beetroot, peeled and chopped. You slice that much and then you have to put it in a bowl. Now I'm going to add some washed and chopped carrots to this bowl. These are steamed corn. I'm going to add it to the bowl. Now, beetroot has iron, and to absorb iron you need some vitamin C. So you could add some lemon juice or you could add some orange juice. But since I've picked fresh oranges, I'll send you the link in the description box. So I've picked some fresh oranges and then I've peeled them, squeezed some juice, and there are some few chunks of oranges, but only few, and I'm going to add it inside the bowl. I'm going to add some salt. Now I'm going to add some black pepper. And you could add some salad leaves or spinach. Now I'm going to add some spinach. Now you could add walnuts, peanuts, any nuts of your choice, but I'm going to add peanuts. Now mix, mix, mix. Now mix it very nicely. And try to not make it tip over off the bowl. Now I've mixed it, and now I'm going to put it in this bowl and taste it. And you could add any vegetables and fruits that you have at home. It's very sweet, sour, crunchy, and some sweet in it. So I hope you'll make this salad. And if you want to make it spicier, then you can add some chopped green chilies and some pepper in it. And I hope you'll make it. And I hope you'll Wait, let me eat. I hope you'll subscribe to Saanvi's Rules, and if you have any questions or comments, please post them. Bye, and I hope you'll watch my video of me picking new oranges. Bye.